Hi everyone, Brian from Bearable Traders here. It is Tuesday, August 9th, and just going to do a quick recap here of our trading in the room this morning. Had a couple of good trades that worked out here. UPST was one of them. UPST was gapping down quite a bit from the previous day close, and it was earnings that came out last night. Poor guidance, so that was one of the ones that I happened to be watching this morning. And you can see here it was trading pretty erratically at the open, but as soon as we opened up here, the stock started to take off. And I think this was a pretty epic squeeze because there is a very high short interest on UPST. It's something around 35%. So right at the open, we started to get a squeeze up here. And I really didn't catch this until we got up above 30. And it was kind of doing a bit of a pullback here, but I could tell it was holding this 9 moving average. And I just got into the trade here around 30.50, 30.45, and just started selling it. Got it through the whole number 31 and got out the rest of it through 32. 32.15 was the previous day close, or 32.20, somewhere around there. I really thought we would reject from that area, but this was a squeeze, so it epically blew through the previous day close, but had a really amazing doji candle here, reversing doji candle. Unfortunately, I didn't take it short because this strength in the open here just really scared me to go short, but it would have been a really good short. Did not take the short, but got an epic trade on the long side. The other one that I was trading this morning was my sort of classic, you want to call it rising devil trade. We'll just wait for this to load here. You can see we're gapping down on some bad news with VTNR. There was Vertex Energy. Came out with some bad earnings again. There was an earnings report from last night. And you can see here, this heavier red line is the VWAP. And you can see as we're going into the open, it's checking all the boxes for a rising devil trade for me, so it's gapping down on news, trading below the VWAP going into the open, and as it's going into the open, we can see it getting weaker and weaker. So I actually shorted it right around $9. Got this initial move lower, sold a lot of it as it dropped here. And I just had a quarter position, and then when it came back up, this is a very classic pattern as well, comes back up, tests the 9 moving average, and then rolls over again. So what happened was I re-shorted it, had a small position, came back up to where I got in pretty much, but I only had a small size left. Anyway, re-shorted it here, and then got this really nice move, this second leg down here, right all the way back down to under $8, covered the rest of it there. So two really good trades this morning. I did a few other ones. TQQ, I kept trying to pick the bottom, kept getting stopped out, small losses. So it's a bit of a choppy day, and we're just waiting for the CPR number to come out tomorrow. So that's it. That's how we traded the morning, August 9th. A couple of good trades, made some good money, and now we're waiting for that CPI number. We'll see what happens. Thanks everyone. Have a great day.